Sorry då. This is new. Welcome to a new dev video blog on Project xarci. Now, for those who know me, or know of me, you may recognize me as the lead coder of Pokemon Generation Zero, and of course my video blog Testopia for developments on that game. I will be doing this blog very much in the same way. So you can find a link to that, the playlist of that blog in the description. So yeah. So just in case you don't know me, which is quite likely, hi. My name is Lars Erik Rambo. So I live in Norway and yeah. I commonly go by Quagram on the internet, so remember that. Of course, that's also the name of my channel, so unless it gets renamed or this video gets copied to another channel, who knows. Anyway, I'm a student at Hedmark University College, and I study game development. So my last year is about to start, and I need to get ready my plans for my thesis or pilot project, which is what I'm gonna graduate with. So yeah, this is my project. This is Project xarci. I think that's how it's pronounced. Yeah, and I know. The fact that I don't even know how to correctly pronounce my own project name, it's a thing. Because I'm also studying the language lojban on this side, and yeah, that's one of the key things in this project. I'm gonna feature that language as a central thing. Yeah, I'm gonna talk much about that in later episodes, especially when it comes to when I get to dialogue. So, to give a quick overview of what the project is all about, as I already mentioned, I'm gonna have lojban featured with a primary English language in the game, and the setting is a recent post-apocalyptic world in the far future, and it's gonna feature two very different but sentient androids, or well, droids, should I say. The design has changed a bit over the pre-production times. Yeah. So I should say that the project currently is in an early state of pre-production, which means lots of prototyping, not much development going on, and pre-production will last, given that the project survives, all the way to January when production should start. Who knows about the future? Another future teller or whatever. Okay, so let's go to showing around. So this is my primary and first test map. So this is where I'm gonna test features and such, and it may be the first map you start up in when I get things worked out. So right now I'm controlling the title character, xarci, which well, the name is lojban for weapon, just to say that outright. Yeah. So yeah, things are quite early on. Right here there should be a wall, and yeah, it's just a feature I'm going to be working on. Yeah. So the yellow guy here is Hans, and of course both of these characters are just prototypes, prototype models. I'm a programmer, not an artist or a modeler, so this is what this is what the game looks like right now. And of course, I should mention it. This is all on the Unity engine, so I said that. Now, the most recent thing I've been working on is getting the controls and the camera setup as basic as possible. So I have some debug text up here on the controller input. So we got everything mapped up, even though it doesn't do much. Yeah. And I managed to get the camera to react to the environment in a very simple way. So if you move too close to the wall, it'll just zoom in. Just move the camera so it doesn't be... so the camera isn't inside the wall. So yeah, that is pretty much it right now. As progress continues forward, I will be uploading new test builds every now and then when features are done, when they're tested and such. So well, I might as well just give a quick rundown on the planned features that I'm going to work on in the future. So of course the first thing is the player should be able to switch between the two characters on the fly. So that's the first thing. Next thing is that this wall is going to be destructible by some kind of plasma cannon or something that only xarci has. That's worth mentioning. The idea is that the other character, Hans, is going to start the game inside what's supposed to be a bunker here. So yeah, this is supposed to be a collapsed bunker entrance. Yeah. Alright, moving on. This place is going to be where the first level ends, right here. So the thing is, there's supposed to be a big wall here, going around. There's a small hole here that Hans is able to crawl under, but xarci cannot. Hans should be able to interface with his computer and open the gate here. Simple enough. Now the thing is that this computer is not supposed to work without a power source. Because this is a post-apocalyptic time with the power grid completely offline, the computer has to run on some sort of backup power. And the nearest battery is of course on the other side of this bridge, or whatever we're gonna put in the future. Not sure if it's gonna be a bridge. And here's the power source, which you're supposed to be able to pick up. Now the trick here is that this bridge is close to collapsing, because post-apocalyptic. So it's not quite easy to see from this angle here, but we switch out of game view here. I can show you that the xarci here is actually hovering above ground. So oh, it's lagging a bit because of the recording, but yeah. So the thing is that only the xarci can safely cross this unstable bridge. So only he can grab that power source over there. So this is the basis for my idea of how to have a game where these two characters have to interact, have to cooperate in order to get through the level. So Laharsi has to get Hans out of the bunker, then he has to cross the bridge to get the power source, and get back here to give the power source to Hans, so he can crawl under the wall and activate the computer. I think that's just about it for now. So yeah, see you sometime in the future. Goodbye.